Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 12, exercise 12A, book D3, mensuration. This exercise is divided into two parts. Part number 1 already been cleared. Today we will discuss part number 2. So starting from question number 4. Find the area of the shaded parts in the following figure. All dimensions are being in centimeters. So in A part, you can see here in A part, the given diagram is just like as, because the given diagram you can see just type a square in which this side is equal to 56 and this side is also equal to 56. It is a square. So having four circles, for example this one you can see here, we have to divide into four equal parts. So we have to draw the circles in, for example, one circle, and the other circle is, this circle is not drawn accurately, so we have tried our best to draw the circle so beautifully. And this one is your, so you have four circles like this, and in these circles the center points, and another one is, that is we have to find shaded portion. So what are the shaded regions, shaded area? This one is your shaded portion, and the other one is, you can see here the shaded portion. We have to calculate the shaded portion. Actually we have to find the area of a full square, then we have to subtract the area of a circular regions. That is, we have four circles, we have to subtract the area of four circles from the total area of the given figure. Total area we can find with the area of a square. So very simple, it is not considered to be the difficult one, as you can see here. So that is your, now area of a full square is equal to, now this is your diagram. I hope that you will like it. Since area of a square, since area of a square, area of a square is equal to L square, that is 56 square, because both are similar lengths. So that is equal to 3136 centimeter square. So that is your area of a square. Now coming to the area of each circle. Now area of each circle is equal to pi r square. It is a complete circle. It doesn't matter it is a small one or a bigger one. So putting the values, 3.142 into r, the value of r is 14, that is square. So you will get 615.88, which is equal to 616, that is equal to 616.0 centimeter square. So the question is this, how can I use 14? Here is your 56, so it means the length up to here, this one is your diameter, this one is your diameter, and diameter is equal to 56 and half. What does that mean? Because all the circles are very much joining with each other and having a complete length. For example, you can see here, so it means the diameter is equal to 28, because 56, this one is 28 and this one is 28, so you will get 56. So it means the diameter is 28, but we need the radius, and this one is 14, so that is your radius. So that's why we need a radius r in given formula. So that's why we use the radius. Now that's why I have used it, this 14, and we have calculated the 616.0 centimeter square is your required area of each circle. But you have 4 circles, similar type of 4 circles, 1 2 3 4 circles. So it means for 4 circles what should you do? You should do multiply it with, therefore for 0 4 circles, your result is 4 multiplied by 616. So you will get, after multiplication, 2464 centimeter square. So the area of shaded portion, just you have to subtract, because you need the green portion, so you have to subtract, simply subtract. That is the area of a shaded. Therefore area of shaded portion is equal to, you have calculated 3136 minus, just you have calculated, that is equal to 2464, and you will get 672 centimeter square is your required result. Now coming to the B part, you can see another figure is given to you. You have to draw another figure, that is B part. In B portion in your textbook, the given figure is like this. So we have to find the area of shaded portion. Shaded parts we have to find. The given figure is like this. It is your given circle like this. So in your textbook you can see the figure is like this, then the figure is like this, and like this, and like this. So that is your figure. Now we have to find the length. This one is 3.5, and also this one is 3.5, and also this one is also 3.5, and this one is also 3.5. We have to find the shaded portion. We have to draw the shaded one. This portion, this one is your shaded one, and similarly that area is also, you have to find, you need to find the area of shaded. This one is your shaded portion. We have used is green color. Similarly you can see here, because configuration is very much important in every question, you need to solve the configuration. Given diagram is very much important, and with the help of, because you know all the formulas, how can we calculate the area of each part, each portion, that's why we are trying to draw the figure very much accurately to get the exact result. And this one is your shaded portion. So now you have to find this one. I think our shading is a little bit conservative, very good one, because most of the students don't like my drawing. So that's why we are trying to draw beautifully. So that is your given figure. We have to find the shaded portion. So area of circle, first of all we have to find the area of circle, that is equal to pi r square. So what is the value of pi? That is 3.142, and the value of r is 3.1. It is given to us, you can see here. So the result is 38.489, and after rounding you will get 38.5. so that is your area of circle, that is you in centimeter square. So unit is very much necessary, that is centimeter square. So we have to now draw the area of each semicircle. So now first we have to draw the area, calculate the area of a full circle. Now we have to calculate the area of each semicircle. So since area of each semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. So putting the values, 3.142, the value of r is that is 1.75, because you have here diameter. Here you can see in your fig, that is your diameter 3.5, that is your d, but you need the radius r, you need only this one. So here the radius is 3.5 divided by 2. So in this case radius is 3.5 divided by 2, so the radius is 1.75. So that's why we can use this divided by 2. So your result is, after simplification, 4.8. So centimeter square. Now this is the area of each semicircle, but we have 4 semicircles, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 4 semicircles you just multiply it simply with 4. Therefore for 0, 4 semicircles you will get 4 multiplied by 4.8, you will get what? The result is 19.24. So that is your area of 4 semicircles. Just you have to subtract it, you will get the area of shaded portion. So the area of shaded portion will be, just you have to subtract both the areas, just you have calculated. So area of shaded part is equal to, subtracted, first you have calculated, that is 38.5 minus 19.24, your result is 19.25. Or you can say 19.1 is added here, 19.3 centimeter square is your required area of shaded portion. Now coming to the C part. In C part, the given figure is like this. You can see, first of all draw the semicircle, then you can draw another semicircle like this. Now you can draw another big semicircle that is like this, and similarly here you can also draw a big semicircle like this. So that is your, so this portion is 14, this one is also 14, and this one is also 14 diameter. So you can say that we have to find the area of a shaded region. So what is the shaded region? So that is your shaded region. So because in your textbook you can see the shaded portion, that is your shaded portion. So we have to find this shaded portion. Now you can see, now in this diagram it is very much clear that we have a semicircle, this one, and we have another big semicircle, this one. Similarly we have a small semicircle, this one, that is below, and below is big one, that is your another big semicircle. So we should try our best to solve clearly. That is, first of all, the area of big semicircle, area of big uh, area of big semicircle uh, is equal to, that is, each area of each, because we have two, each semicircle is equal to pi r square divided by 2. We have a formula. So putting the values, you will get 3.142 into r, that is 14, you can see, divided by 2, you can see 307.91, which is equal to 308 after rounding off. So that is your centimeter square is area of a semicircle. Now we have to find the area of 2, because we have 2. So for 2 semicircles, which is equal to, you have to multiply with 308, you will get 616 centimeter square. So this is your important result, because 2 semicircles we have, that is upper one and lower one. So due to this, you can say that is your big semicircle, this one and this one and this one. So we have calculated, that is both having areas 616 centimeter, 616 centimeter square. So now coming to the area for small semicircles, now we have this one, this you can see here, this one small and this one is small semicircle also. So find the area also of each small semicircles. Now area of each small semicircle, that is equal to, once again, same formula, by 2. Putting the values, you will get that is 3.142 into 7 square divided by 2. So why we use 7? Because that is the diameter. You can see here, that is your diameter, that is your diameter up to here, that is your d, but you need r, so r is 7. So that's why I used 7 here. So after simplification, you will get 7697, you can see 77.0 centimeter square. So for 2 semicircles is equal to 2 multiplied by 77, you will get 154 centimeter square. That is your important result. Now initially we have calculated the area of 2 big semicircles, and now we have calculated 2 small semicircles. So area of shaded portion, just you have to subtract. So area of small, so area of shaded portion, therefore area of shaded portion is equal to, just you have to subtract. You have calculated first big semicircle and small semicircles, you have to subtract, you will get 462 centimeter square is your required result. Coming to the D part of the same question, D part, the given figure is like this. You can see this one and like this one, and this portion is equal to 48, and it is divided into 2 portion. At this length is, we have here small semicircles, and this length is equal to 14, that is 48, that is the center. So the given figure is like this. We have to find the shaded portion. Now which one is your shaded portion? You can see that one is your shaded portion. So that is your shaded portion. After completing the shading, you can see it. How can we find the area of shaded portion? So it's a very simpler case, that is area of each big semicircle, and we have two semicircles, so we will multiply with 2. So first area of, now area of each big semicircle is equal to pi r square divided by 2. We have formula, just we have to put the values, that is 24 square divided by 2. So you can see here is 48, so we need the radius only, that is your radius r, which is equal to 24, because it is your diameter. 48 is your diameter, but we don't need diameter, we need radius, so divided by 2 you will get 24. Now after putting the values, you will get 904896. so after rounding you will get 905 centimeters square. After rounding you will get this one. Now we have two semicircles, so for 2 semicircles you have to multiply 2 multiply by 905, you will get, after multiplication you will get 1810 centimeters square. So this is your important result. Now we have to find the small circles, area of small circle. These are your small circle. First we have used big circles, so that one is your small circle, these two. So first we have to find the area of each small semicircle. So now area of each small semicircles, each small semicircle is equal to pi r square divided by 2, that is equal to 3.142. we use 7 2 because here is your diameter, that is your diameter 14, that is your diameter, but we need the radius is 7, we need radius, so that's why we put here 7. So after simplification you will get 76.97, which is rounding, you will get 77 centimeters square. So we need for 2, so for 2 semicircle, 2 semicircle, it is equal to 2 multiplied by 77, you will get, just you have to multiply it, you will get 154 centimeters square. So now we have calculated this one, and we have to calculate the area of a rectangle, because in given figure now the area of rectangle is now area of rectangle is equal to L cross W, which is equal to the length is 48, W is 14, you will get 672 centimeters square. So the area of shaded portion, so area of shaded portion will be equal to, we know that actually the shaded portion is this one and this one, this one, this one, this one. If we use the area of a two semicircle, which is equal to 1810, and the area of a rectangle, which is equal to 672, but in area of rectangle we don't need these two semicircles, small semicircles. So the value of these two semicircles we have calculated, we have to subtract, so minus that area is 154. So after subtraction you will get 2328 centimeter square is your required result of shaded portion. So coming to the next part, that is question number 5. Now question number 5. In question number 5, read the statement. The radius of a circular pond is 12 meter. Grass grows around the pond 2 meters away from its edge. Find in terms of pi expression for the circumference of a circle forming the outer edge of the grass. Okay, in A part. First, we have to find circumference in terms of pi. That is, we have to find C in terms of pi, and we know that since we have a formula of circumference, that is C is equal to 2 pi r. So putting the values 2 pi, we don't have to put the values of pi because we have to calculate in terms of pi, so that's why the value of pi cannot be put here. So the value of r is, it is given to you as the value of r is 12 meter having radius pond and 2 meter away grass, so you will get 14. So that's why I put here 14. So the value of r is, so the circumference will be 14 2s are 28 pi meter is your required circumference. Now in B portion, we have to find the area of the land between the pond and outer edge of the grass. Area between pond and outer edge. So now in B portion we have to find area between pond and outer edge. In terms of pi, that is in terms of pi, it means we have to find this one. So it means first we have to find the area of pond, then area of outer edge, then we have to subtract, so we can find the between area pond and outer edge. First we find the area of pond. You can see here, so the area of pond is so area of pond is equal to pi r square. Putting the values, r is 12 square, so you will get 144 pi. So that is your area of pond. Now area of outer edge is equal to pi r square, but here r is you know that outer edge as r is equal to 12 plus 2, you will get outer edge also 2 meter away, so you will get 14. So that's why I put here 14. So you will get 144 pi. So 14 into 14, 196, because 12 into 12, 196. Okay, 196 pi. So therefore area will be the area between pond and outer edge, between pond and outer edge, that is equal to 196 pi minus 144 pi. You will get 52 pi is your meter, is your required result. Now coming to the that is your actually B part. Now coming to the question number 6. In question number 6, John decided to plant. In your textbook you can see the question number 6, that is again a given figure, last question, but having a lengthy exercise. We are trying our best to finish it quickly, but still we have to solve so many parts. In question number 6, John decided to plant the figure on a delivery on a driveway in yellow with black lines. Find number A, the area of the shaded region that he will paint, and second one is the total length that he will paint with black paint. The given figure is you can see that like a circle. First we have to draw a circle having diameter, and this one is rectangle. So we can say up like this we have a given figure, and in this figure that one is your 4 meter and that one is your 5 meter. That portion is also 5 meter, but here is 4 meter, and we have to find the shaded portion. All the figure is shaded. Find this one up to this one is also shaded, and the whole figure is shaded. It means we have to find the area of full figure. So the question is this: how can we find? You can see one is circle and the other is rectangle. If you find the area of circle, but it will be much difficult to find the area of a rectangle, because here rectangle will not considered to be the complete one. So if we find the area of a semicircle and then area of a rectangle, so it will be very much easy for us, because the formula of different curves type, if we consider only this, so it will be very much difficult. So simple methodology is this: we have to find the simple area of a rectangle plus area of a semicircle, because semicircle is up to this and rectangle is up to this. So we, for both the cases, we have simple formulas and can easily be calculated. So that is your shaded portion. Now first we have to find the area of shaded. First, area of rectangle is very much simple. Now area of rectangle is, that is equal to L cross W, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 4, and you will get 20 meter square. Very simple. So area of rectangle is calculated. Now area of semicircle. Now area of a semicircle, that is equal to pi r square divided by 2. So after putting the values, you will get the value as pi is 3.142 and semicircle is 2 divided by 2. You can see, because here is your diameter, here is your diameter, this one is your actually diameter, but you need the only radius, so that's why we use 2. So that's why we have used. After simplification, you will get you can see here, after simplification you can have 6.284. the calculator gives this value, but after rounding you will get 6.3 meter square. So that is your area of semicircle 6.3. So area of shaded part, simple because we have to sum, add it. So therefore area of shaded portion, that is area of full fig. So area of shaded portion is equal to you have to sum first 20 area of a rectangle plus area of a semicircle, that is 6.3. so your result is 26.3 meter square, or you can also write as 26 whole 2 by 7 is your required result. Because what does that mean? Because 2 by 7 means 0.3 approximately, so that's why we can use 2 by 7 instead of 0.3. This one is also your correct answer, this one is also correct answer, but in your textbook such type of answers given, so that's why I am trying to clear the concept. So coming to the B part of the same question, that is your last part. In last part you can see the that is your B part. In B part, the total length that he will paint with black paint. Total length. What does it mean, total length that he will paint? It means we have to find parameter. That is, total length mean perimeter. Actually, we have to find the perimeter. Total length mean in this part. So, perimeter of a rectangle. So, now perimeter of rectangle, that is equal to 2. We have a formula L plus W, very simple. The perimeter you can find 5 plus 4, you will get 18 meters. So that is your perimeter. Similarly, perimeter of a semicircle. So perimeter of a semicircle. Now perimeter of semicircle, that is equal to pi d. Very simple. The value of pi is 3.142 and the value of d is 4. After simplification you will get 12.568. After rounding you can write as 12.6 meter. So that is your perimeter of a semicircle. So total length will be perimeter, just you have to add it, very simple. So total, therefore total perimeter or total length hence total length, that is total perimeter or perimeter, simple, is equal to 18 plus 12.6. you will get 30.6 meter, or you can also write as 30 whole 4 by 7. So that is your required result, meter. As it should be noted that what does it mean? So 0.6 is equal to 4.7. So by using calculator, what is the value of 0.6? 4.7 you can write instead of 0.6 you can write 4 by 7. So that is your required result, which is given in your textbook is required answer. So by the grace of God we have completed exercise 12A. I hope that it will be much helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.